Did I turn on my mic? I don't know, but whatever. Hey guys, it's me, Pineapple, and I just got a message on Discord, like, what the heck? Yeah, anyways, today is a new day, no wonder. And, I'm making a new series, cause it's, I'm bored. Yapping. Anyways, today is a new day, so I'm doing a new series, and I'm looking at weird car games. So the first one is the game is called Car Crash Test. Let's try it out. And it's breaking my speakers. It sounds like it's breaking my Why is this wobbling so much? What the hell? I can't stop this from being a Kirkin G2 scooter. Those scooters wobble. God. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Teleport. Skill test. We're going ramp first. What do I go on first? You know what? Because I hated that. What do I do? What car? What car? This is the car. I'm going down this ramp first. I can't see. How fast am I? The speedometer's broke. And then I got another message on Discord. Okay, so we're looking at this. Amazing Volvo. What is going on? Wow! Ah, ja pierdolę, kurwa. What is this test? See, skill test. This looks, interesting. Looks quite interesting. Let's go on to whatever. Oh, it's for Euro. NCAP. Stop shooting me. Let me do the skill test. When? Mind me. Just don't mind me going here. I just want to get past this part. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the? What? Right, let me do the plane. I want to do a slip and slide. Goodbye, goodbye. Let's go on to tank. Why is there tank game pass? Why? Why isn't it spawning in my car? There we go, I learned how to spawn in a car. Why is the car spinning? What the hell? Why is it crunching like it's a Temu package? Okay, now it's stopped. Thank God. Let's crash into this poor guy. Aww. Come back. Really? Okay. Jesus. I understand. Let me just drive. You don't need to Why am I... Oh my god. What if... Can I enter this?
No, you cannot.
Oh my god. Okay, we're going down this tube. And wow, wasn't that exciting? Just to let the car descend. I'm on top of a mountain. Let's drive. Right, so I think I crashed. Let's go. This is my beautiful car. And why is there an entire submarine there? Is that the Ocean Gate Titanic? Oh, that's an airplane. That is still cool though. Doing a review on the Fiat Panda 4-door 1999. So as you guys can tell, it's got quite... I'm lagging. So it's got a quite nice design. 4 wheels, no doors, lightweight reduction. Quite whoop. Why is it doing that? I just got hit by John. Sadly, I didn't capture it. So, I'm going to the beans shop. But because there's no parking, I guess I'm just gonna park inside the shop. Because there's no way I am letting birds or people steal my car. Or birds poop on my car. Anyways, let's get some lovely baked beans. Yay! You know what, I'm stealing these beans. I didn't even pay for it. He doesn't know because he's stupid. But at the same time, how do I get out? What? I want to test out my new gun. Let me test it out. Wow, that is beautiful. Anyways, guys, that's the rest of the video. Have a great rest of your day. I do recommend this game, by the way. It's amazing. Anyways, goodbye. It just